Chevrolet Cruze 2011 to 2016. To remove the window switch, first remove the door panel. To do this, unscrew one bolt behind the door release handle and the second one under the armrest. Pry the panel from the bottom with the tool and pull it upward to release the clips. Then, from the back side, disconnect the door release cable and all electrical connectors. After that, use a screwdriver to pry the window switch and release them from the tabs, two on the right and two on the left side. Finally, replace the window switch.